It's official. Q4 is finally here, and the best time to start dropshipping is right now. There will never be an easier time to capture impulse purchases than what is going to happen over the next 3 months. During Q4, there are a multitude of very profitable sales periods centered around major events happening such as Black Friday and Christmas. You need to adopt a different mindset in order to fully take advantage of these events, which is why in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the best performing niches for each event happening in Q4. So subscribe to the channel. We're only 30 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers, and let's get straight to it. Before you even think about products to sell, ask yourself this question: do you even know how to create a website that will convert? During Q4, there is no room for mistakes. If you leave even one stone unturned, your competitors will crush you. To make my professional branded looking dropshipping websites, I built them out using the Beautify theme. It is simply among one of the best Shopify themes due to the amount of features it has. If you didn't know, having multiple apps installed on your store drains your speed score significantly, whereas the Beautify just solves this by putting all the apps inside one app, so they're all already inbuilt and won't take up any more of your site speed. In my tutorial, which will show up around here, I will show you exactly how I create a professional branded looking website using the Beautify theme. Use the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial, and once that ends, use code Nathan20 to get 20% off for the next 3 months. First major event happening in Q4 is Halloween. Now, I don't sell Halloween products because I believe it's in furtherance of the devil. The second major event happening in Q4 is Black Friday. Black Friday is the key event of Q4. During Black Friday, this is when people are on the hunt to get higher ticket items on a discount. So instead of looking for the perfect niche to sell your products in during Black Friday, you want to instead sell products and give them a high perceived value and a high sale price, and then slash that price with a discount like 60% off to make the customer believe that they're getting a good deal, when the whole time that 60% off price is the normal price of the product. And the best part is they will never know that. And fun fact, Black Friday is the one day when most e-commerce businesses experience a record number of sales due to the almost dreamlike spike in demand. The third event happening in Q4 is Cyber Monday, and this is commonly known as the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend, where those 4 days from Black Friday to Cyber Monday are some of the highest sales periods you'll ever see. But now for specifically Cyber Monday, it's the perfect time to offer exclusive online only discounts to those tech savvy customers, all in the name cyber. So you'll want to be selling mostly tech products if you're targeting Cyber Monday, because this is the one day that all the tech enthusiasts load their credit card in order to snag some deals. And here are the top 5 niches that will convert for Cyber Monday. Number 1 is home tech appliances. So an example I can give for that niche would be an electric toothbrush or a foot massager. Those ones where you stand on it and kind of rotates and all of that. The second niche is electronic heating products, and this is because winter is coming and people know that, so you'll want to sell them in advance some sort of, let's say, jacket. This is just an example, you don't have to sell this product. That jacket where you put on and it has like a button, and when you click it, it either makes a jacket hot or cold. So products like that. The third niche is lighting devices, so literally things like this. That's about as best as I can put it, honestly. The fourth niche is fitness tech appliances, so things like a smartwatch, something that tracks heartbeats, steps, breaths taken, something like that, because that niche is super passionate about what they love, and they love to pair it with tech to get the nitty-gritty details. Christmas is the time of the year when everybody is buying gifts for each other. Think about it. What time of the year do you usually get the most gifts? I bet you it's during Q4. You get your Halloween gifts, you get your Christmas gifts, you probably get something for Black Friday. And Christmas is the number 1 event where you know you are not going to miss a gift under any circumstances. This means that worldwide, buying intent is shooting through the roof, and so are the conversion rates. This is because, as opposed to other times of the year where we're trying to present a customer with a product that solves a problem either they knew they had or didn't know they have, this time around customers are already looking for random products to spend money on. So that just makes the process of closing these customers so much easier. And you want to focus more on giftable products during the Christmas season. So not so much problem solving products, but more of wow factor products. Additionally, quantity bundle offers will be your best friend, as people are going to be buying these products in bulk typically for the whole family. So the first niche I would recommend you to selling for Christmas is kitchenware. So these are kitchen tools, just like, let's say, that sponge that automatically rotates to clean the utensils. Number 2 is gadgets. Number 3 is Christmas decorations. So you could have Christmas tree decorations, some that hang on the door, or sell snow globes. Number 4 is baby toys. People are going to be buying a lot of gifts, especially for new parents, and new parents will also be buying gifts for their children for their first ever Christmas. So of course they're gonna get them a toy, and there's new babies every year, so this is quite literally an evergreen niche. The 5th niche you'd want to sell is heating products, because at this time it's basically snowing all over the world and people are freezing. So you want to solve that problem by offering them a solution that helps them to heat up. Number 6 is clothing. That's a really popular gift a lot of people get for Christmas. And number 7 is jewelry. I've seen a lot of well-performing dropshipping jewelry brands, and honestly it's worth a shot, but you just need to dial in crazy with your supplier, and I wouldn't recommend it for a beginner, to be honest. The final event happening during Q4 is New Year's. This is the time of the year when everybody decides on a resolution that they vow to follow for the entirety of the coming year. This is usually something that will serve as self-improvement, for example, fitness. And you want to adjust your marketing angles to reflect that shift in the mindset. Include copy related to New Year's resolutions in your website and ads. I recommend to do this immediately after Christmas to drive in even more sales after the Christmas rush is over. And the best part is that when Q1 rolls around, you'll already be ahead of all those people trying to capitalize on New Year's sales purchases after the new year has already rolled over. The first niche, as I mentioned earlier, is fitness. So something that helps people work out in the gym, running track, doing yoga. For example, there's this saturated boxing product I've been seeing where you punch it and like just bounces back to you. So things like that. Second niche is self-improvement, so you could do like digital dropshipping and sell them a digital book club mentorship, one that only reads self-improvement books like Hormozy, David Goggins, such things, and they basically get a new book every week, or they could be books written by you. I'm just dropping sauce, man. Either you use it or you don't. I just hope that everybody watching this video squeezes out the maximum value that they can. The third niche is health. So for that you could sell supplements. And the fourth niche is kitchenware. Now this time around the mindset is different. You want to sell to people whose New Year's resolution is, I vow to start cooking for myself this coming year. And those are all the best niches to sell for each major event happening in Q4. Now guys, if you do well during Q4 using something I mentioned in this video, bro, feel free to drop a comment because I love to hear you guys' success stories. And make sure to subscribe because we're about to hit 1K. If you guys would like to join my one-on-one mentorship, then DM me on Instagram at Nate2Paid and I'll get back to you immediately. And until next time, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up.